So hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to tell you the Ibis Paint 10 tutorial because many of the viewers were asking about the tutorial of the Ibis Paint. They are telling that how you are using it. We can't understand some. Can you give some tips to us? So here I'm back with my video. So let's start it. I will give a simple tutorial to you. First of all, here you can see a plus button. If you will click on it, a size will which type of canvas size you need, you can choose, or you can directly import picture from it. So right now I'm choosing a 3 to 4 SD. This is for adjusting size, as you can see here. For adjusting size. Okay, this is an undo button and this is redo button. Now second one is about the density, means transparency. What do we mean that means if I keep the transparency here, just you can see it looks like this. But if I increase the transparency, it look like this, and if more, then it look like this, and if full, then it will look like this. So this is transparency. Now comes, here is brush and eraser. You can this is eraser. Okay, you can also adjust its size, eraser size. Now here if you click on the brush sign, you can get many of the options. From among these options I am going to tell you the main options that I've used till now. That is brush, smudge, blur, text and bucket. So what is this? So in this brush you already know. So let's start from smudge. So before doing smudge, we have to draw something, or two different colors, or more than two colors. What we usually do while doing this what we say while doing this with the oil pastel, we usually use tissue paper to means blend like the smudge is that one. So like this, I'll show you an example. You can see, let me increase this. See, like this type of smudge is usually done with the canvas, or while making any colorful feather also you can do. Now let me come to brush. So here I am using a yellow color, then above that I will use a black color. No, I need my color. So just what I have to do is, if you want to put some colors, means I want to put, let's say I want to put this color, this blue part in this part. So what you can do is, you can just press on long, you do it on long click, the color is selected. Now you can put here, like, okay, cool. Now here I have done it. So now I will blur it. So this was all about the tools. So this was how you can blur. So right now blurring is usually, blur and smudge is usually done where you want to mix the colors, such as you can see here I have given light color, and here it goes on being dark. So between these to this color, as you can see the change, we use blur and smudge. Okay, cool. Now comes the layers. Here as you can see in this work, I have added three different layers, so that there would be a perfect mixing of the colors, and there would be no what we say, and there would be no mistake in the drawing. So let me close the second and third layer. As you can see, the first layer is fully consist of this background color. Oh sorry, fully consist of the background color. Okay, so now I am gonna show you second layer. So this was the second layer, this was the second layer, it's fully looking, and this was the third layer. So by the intermixing of so layers is especially used in that part where you are not mean sure that when where it is used in the basically in while mixing the parts. So here I have used 3 layers for 3 different kinds. You can see here. So this helps you to make a drawing step by step. After layering, this tool comes. This tool means all instrumental tools like symmetry ruler, means what you will draw here. This symmetry ruler means what you will draw here. Sorry, just a second. What you will draw here, it will be drawn there also. Okay. Then same with this one. What you are gonna draw here. So these are specially used for making these designs only. Leave it. Same manner. This all are. These are symmetry ruler. And these are all plain ruler, means this is circle for making circle, just like our compass. This is also making circle. This circle you can adjust it by yourself. As you can see, I am adjusting. This is rule and this is ruler. Okay, you can see ruler. This is a ruler, and this is for making, means like as you have seen in the our chakras of Indian flag, Ashok chakra, that for making the chakra design this can be used. Okay, cool. Now comes import photo. You can also import, if you want to edit any photo, you can also import the photo and edit it. Let me show you in a new. So as you can see here this is my hand drawing, as you can see. So I have imported the photo from here, see. And here, what was the mistake, that I couldn't able, my signature was not there in this drawing, and I have to send this for a competition. So what I have did is that I have selected the color, then I have reduced the size up to a pencil size, then I have put the signature. See, if you see it from here, it will look like it is done with a pencil only, and it is not edited. So this is one more advantage of this Ibis Paint X. Hence you can edit your photos and drawings, which are handmade drawings like this also. So this was all about the tools, important tools. So I hope you like this video. Do subscribe. I hope you like this video. Do do subscribe us, and tell how was this tutorial. Comment us that did you like this or not, and if you want more tutorials on this Ibis Paint and more drawings on this Ibis Paint, so I am here. I will make more drawings to you. Till then, bye bye and thank you.